We're on the hunt for the next killer app to use with Apple Vision Pro headsets. Now, I found one that changes everything about assembling anything you bring home in a box. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Unlock insider tips at CyberGuy.com, where you can sign up for my free newsletter. Now, downloading the BILT app and using Apple Vision Pro headset changes everything. You'll never fumble through complicated instructions ever again when you've got Apple Vision Pro after you download the 3D Instructions BILT app. Here's what it looks like putting together a Weber grill. The interactive 3D grill is on the left. The one you're actually assembling in real life is on the right. Now, as you're putting together the grill, it intelligently takes you through the process unlike any set of paper instructions could ever do. Here's what I like a lot. It's surprisingly easy to follow along and get it done in record time and so much less frustrating with greater accuracy. BILT 3D immersive instructions could save you money needing to hire someone to assemble and install stuff we buy all the time, making it truly DIY. More crazy cool tech like this at CyberGuy.com. Are you getting my newsletter? Just click the little red button to subscribe for free.